Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back. So today we will be talking about a website where you turn your autos or blogs into the videos with the AI voices and many much more features. So this is the website, so flaky.com, and we will talking about this website, how you can make text to audio, audio to video, text to speech, AI avatar, AI voices, more than like 75 plus voices over image to video, and like how you can make contents for your YouTube, Instagram, podcast, and also for the marketing, social media and business and corporate, even for them as well. Another one's education and e-learning as well, so you will be exploring more new things into this, and we will talking about the pricing as well. So here, it's a very simple editing. I have already used it, and the fast creation is a very cost effective as I have personally used, and they have more than like they have English pronunciations in it, Australia, US, UK, Canada, and much more. Now, this is such an example, like how you're gonna create. So, if you're, for example, you're making videos, or you don't have the time to make create the videos, so it will just give only, you can just give like 10 minutes of your every day to and then make the videos out of this. Another one, like, here's an example, or like meditation program. We will see like how it goes, and you can have an idea, like how we can achieve success by making such videos. Seamless work, impact content, and there are like, if you and there are more, they used by 500,000 plus people, and they have around pointed out of 5 rating, and many of the biggest companies like Upwork, Pacto, and Sony, they have been, they're part of and you can even see the reviews out of it, like how you can so this is for all about like this, for the content creation, business, corporate, educational, e-learning, localization, translation, e-commerce, and marketing, social media. So it's like both of the combined. And here you will have the questions like, is it for free? Yes, it is for free. Allows you to text to voice, and there are some, you can generate around like free audio and video content per month. However, like certain, there are advanced features like AI, so you need to be paid. So you will get all the information here, and even they have the affiliate program as well. Let me tell you, like if you have any friend of or anyone who wants to join you, will be getting 30% of lifetime commission. I mean, wow, this is great. For whole life, you'll be earning, earning. So you'll also get to 25 $250 bonus, $500 bonus if you are referring to someone. So guys, please do subscribe my channel, and have a great day. Bye bye. Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back.